Hey guys, so I thought I would do an Ulta holiday gift guide video. Now these are the products that I wish I could get here in Canada. We don't have an Ulta, I know, right? So sad. It really is. But we don't have an Ulta here, and these are the gifts that I wish I could get. Alright, so starting at number 10, I'm going to share this one with you guys. This is amazing. So this is actually the Olaplex Hair Repair Treatment Kit. So if you guys have dry hair or blonde hair, you're absolutely going to love the Olaplex line. So it really does work. I absolutely love it. I've had chemo in the past. I have dry hair. I use their deep conditioning products. This one, again, super amazing, and the price, you guys, this is amazing. It's only $62, which is a $90 value right here. Love that. Moving on to number 9. Alright, so this is from Essence. Yes, this is an Essence product. I do get Essence here in Canada as well. Same with Olaplex, but I just can't get this particular gift set. So I think this particular gift set, oh my gosh, this is even cheaper than when I actually started to research this for you guys. This is actually $11.24. That is an amazing deal. You get all the favorite mascaras right here. So I think this is amazing. This would make a great stocking stuffer, and $11, right? You can't go wrong. Coming in at number 8, we've got Drunk Elephant Drunk Break Wake Up Haul Day Kit. I love this. If you guys have dry skin, it is the fall winter season, so this has a brightening, firmer, healthier looking complexion. This does it all. I super love the products in here. We've got the Tango Eye Cream and everything. Like it's got a little bit of everything in this kit, which I think is super amazing. This is a little bit more on the pricier side. It is coming in at $98, but this is a $162 value, which I think is a really good gift. If you know someone with dry skin, or if you want to gift it to yourself, it is a really good buy. Coming in at number 7, we've got the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. This is the dual pack. You get 2 full-size bottles. I think this is fabulous. This is actually $28. Amazing price. Love this. If you guys want to give this as a stocking stuffer, fabulous. Super love this. Packaging is so cute this year. They always bring one of these out, and I love it. I love the packaging. Love the product. It's a really good one. Number 6, I'm super excited to tell you guys about this product. You guys know, if you guys are OGs to the channel, I rave about the IT Cosmetics brushes, and they actually have IT Cosmetics brush set made for Ulta, which I think is amazing. So I got really excited when I saw this, but unfortunately I can't pick this up. So if you guys can, pick it up, because this is amazing. We've got the Your Superhero full-size, yes, you heard me, full-size travel makeup brush set for only $50. Like, that is to me unreal, because you get all of these brushes right here for $50. I think that's amazing. This one right here, I've got this one in my kit. It's got a little spoolie, and you've got the eyeliner brush on the end of it. Love that one. That is a ride or die everyday makeup brush for me. You've got some amazing eyeshadow blending brushes right here. You've got this powder brush and a foundation brush. Love that. I actually probably would use this brush right here for blush, but I'm not against it. I love all of these brushes. An amazing deal. So if you guys want to get a really good gift for someone that they're super gonna love you for, $50, amazing. Coming in at number 5, we've got the Ardell Lash Collection. So this is called the Naked Vault. I saw this and I was just like, why can't I get this here? Because this is fabulous and fantastic. I love this. You get 14 pairs of lashes. Like, these are stunning. You know, wispies, all different varieties. I love a good Ardell lash. It's a classic. Like this one right here at the bottom, right here. That's my vibe, 100%. Like, I think this is an amazing, you know, really an amazing gift. If you guys know someone that wears makeup, they're going to open this up and be like, yes, thank you. Definitely. They're going to love you for it. So this one I think is really great. So this is $42. Amazing deal. Coming in at number 4, we have an amazing stocking stuffer. So when I saw this, I got excited, because this is actually a product I reach for all the time. So this is it right here. We've got the e.l.f. Cosmetics Putty Primer Trio. $10, right? That is an amazing price for a stocking stuffer, if I don't say so myself. Like, that is so good. So you've got the Luminous Putty Primer, amazing for the fall winter season if you guys want to glow. Love that. And I super love this matte putty primer. I use the matte one usually more in the summertime, but This Poreless Putty Primer, straight up dupe for the Tatcha, and I super love it. I actually reach for this all the time. Love that. Coming in at number 3, I thought this was really fitting because you actually get 3 lipsticks. We've got the MAC Taste of Bubbly Mini Lipstick Kit in Nude. And I think this is super, super fun, amazing, affordable. These shades are beautiful. And unfortunately, we don't have this collection here in Canada, so that sucks because these are super, super beautiful limited edition colors that I wish I could get my hands on. So in this kit, you get 3 different formulas. You get a matte lipstick, an amplified lipstick, and a luster glass formula lipstick. So I think that's stunning. Like, what a good deal. Stocking stuffer? Yes. Amazing good deal. Okay, so this one I can get in Canada. I actually picked this up as a gift. I love it. I bought a second one for myself, so I had to put it in here as number 2. This is the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Baby Watts Mini Fluid Freestyle Highlighter Duo. $22, amazing price. You get this shade right here and this one. So one of these shades are actually a limited edition to this collection. I tried it on. It is stunning. If you guys want to see that video, let me know. I will film it for you guys. It's just a really beautiful, beautiful highlighter. Love that. And coming in at number 1, we've got a Grande Lash Kit. If you guys want to give a good gift to someone, definitely, I'm sure that there's so many people out there that want to try a good lash serum. This one is raved about, and I actually really like it too, so I thought, okay, number 1, that is it. It's a really good gift idea, especially if you don't know what to get someone, but they do like beauty products and you're kind of unsure about colors and everything like that. Definitely a good lash serum is something that they're going to love you for. So I picked this one. So this is called Ready Set Jet Set, and it's $69. It is a $126 value, so amazing value. We've got a little bit of everything here. So for your lashes, your brows, your lips, like, it's just an amazing collection from the company, which I think is super amazing. If you have a favorite that you love on the Ulta website, let everyone know in the comments down below because I'm super curious and I will definitely check that out. Alright guys, if you liked this video, please hit that like button. It totally helps me out and the algorithm. And if you guys want to see the same kind of video for Sephora, check right here. I've got that one right here for you guys. It is a holiday must-have. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!